It's happening, hey? It's happening. Fish, get ready. I'm gonna show you guys what I'll be using today. Here, got a transducer, just mostly to find out where the fish are gonna be. I've created from a toolbox. I've put on the Garmin over there on the toolbox. Battery, it's inside of it. I just found that that was the easiest way for me to keep it on this kayak. And then what I'll have, two compartments here on the kayak. Here in the first compartment, my empty coffee cup. Okay. Go Moonstruck, whoop whoop. And then we got the cable ties, an extra fishing rod holder, and that's the one. Then I got another one here, phone, sunscreen for the lips. We don't want no 10 lips, do we? Got a bit of zinc and some lollies. Then here, the newest addition, welcome to the family, my fishing net. So on this cooler bag I've got some frozen water bottles just to keep all the fish we're gonna catch nice and cool, and nice set of wheels. Them around to go under the kayak, makes it nice and easy to carry, and when not, just put them up on top. My anchor, so as for the anchor, I've decided to use a very easy setup. Centimeters PVC pipe tied onto the kayak, and then just go here on this rod holder. All the line wraps around, drop the anchor, and I'll put the line through the wheels, and that's just going to keep the kayak nice and stable. And this was the solution I could find without having to drill anything on the kayak. And that's it, everyone. Now let's go catch some fish. So I'll create a loop first, pass it through there. Now I'll go 3 times around that same loop that I've just created. 2, 3. Tension. We always like to leave a little bit of a gap in between the knot and the lures, so the lure can have more of a natural vibration underwater. Natural vibration. I don't even know what a natural vibration would be, but yeah, this could be it, guys. This could be it. Now I'm just gonna chop that bit and cast it.
Yeah, I'm on. Woo! First fish of the day. Ella.
I'm about to bring first fish of the day, everyone.
Easy. Oh.
Brent.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, here you go, mate. Lift the anchor and I'll be drifting alongside these mangroves this year, because I've been seeing like heaps of action on that side, so I'll give it a try. Why not?
I'm on. Oh. Woo!
Well, what is it, a brim?
It's a brim.
Just got a brim, everyone. And we're not even counting. Of course we're not counting. Yeah, but I got a second species of the day. So now this tiny brim, and a while ago I got a burr brim as well. So it's pretty cool. Pretty excited with it. I'm gonna put this one back in the water. Are you ready? Oh. Do a deal. Brent's not doing well again. Yeah, we're going great, Brent.
You doing alright?
Yeah.
I'll let you know when I start filling up.
Yeah, I'm on again, everyone. Woo! Woo! And another bream. Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, where's the...
Look.
Fabulous!
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yes!
That's all right. No talking, huh?
Ah! Oh, and that's what we're here for. Oh, this is what we're here for. Oh, floating. Love you. Yay! Oh, so good. Let's measure this one, eh? Ah, 41. Oh, got it. 41 centimeter flatty. Don't you bite.
Joe, I told you, bro!
It's alright.
Yeah.
Let's get you another bread.
That's literally what you wanted!
Well, no.
What the fuck? I told you!
Risk it to biscuit. They got a biscuit. Risk it. Yeah,
Risk it.
Oh,
Where's...
like, what are you talking about? Go on.
Where, here?
Yeah, well, whenever you want. 20. He's inclined push-ups, eh? 3. Come on. 6. Faster. Otherwise, it's a 10-minute video just for your push-ups. And this is what happens when you don't catch a fish. Brent, you forgetting anything?
Looks like a weapon.
You forgetting anything?
Another 20?
No, you gotta to jump in the water, mate. Come on.
Okay, alright.
Woo! Now we're talking.
I feel like I'm winning though, man.
Yeah.
I'm so good.
Oh, I'm onto a big fish.
Oh, God. Woo! Oh, come on, dude. Woo! Oh.
I guys just got a nice bream. Well, not as big as I thought it would be, but well, it's another fish. Stop moving, mate. Well, I'm gonna just try and take it off the hook.
Okay, so a really good size bream. Hey, Brent, 20 push-ups, mate. Brent's just staying there in the trees. Look at this beauty.
Swim. Okay, off he went. Yep. See you, mate. Thank you.
Yeah, I won again. Oh, no. And yet another flathead. There you go, mate. See ya. Well, it's been a bit quiet at the moment. We decided to drift a little bit, turn just now in a different spot. Still a beautiful place, but there's no bites at the moment. Nothing's happening. Maybe just not the right time of the day or something like that. I don't know. Brent hasn't got any bites here yet. We're gonna stay just a little bit longer, and then if not, we'll just move.
Yeah. What's the time?
Nearly one.
Nearly one? Okay. Well, we've stopped at another spot. We're not getting any bites at all. The wind has picked up a lot, so which makes it way harder. We still had a good day, eh?
Ah, had an awesome day. It's beautiful out here.
Yeah. The problem is going to be pedal back. Oh, there's a guy swimming just there in the middle. Oh,
Yeah, well, he swam down and along.
oh wow!
And
Now
he's
he's
trying to
stuck.
swim back.
He's not going to go anywhere. Yeah. Just there in the middle. Oh, it's turning direction now. Hope he's alright. Yeah, there's quite a few boats around, so he should be fine. Yeah, it's quite a few boats around. It's blowing, eh? Far up.
There you go.
Yeah, nice.
Just wanted to say that Brent and myself today, we had a completely different day, and we did catch quite a few fish. We put it all back in the water, but the most important thing is we jumped out of our comfort zone. We've been paddling Heaps. We've been going around to places we've never been before. No change will happen if you're in your comfort zone, okay? And we just had an epic day, and just because we decided to do something completely different today, okay?